Hi, this is Hong Chen Ye. Today I'm going to talk about the key learning points taken away from this IS leadership course. And next thing is that I'm going to talk about the aspects of the course, which aspects of the course could be improved and further developed. And finally, I'm going to talk about how this course has changed my way of thinking and problem solving skills. Firstly, for the key learning points, first thing I want to mention is the leadership skills. No doubt about that. We just generally knew that IT leadership as a very narrow view. Now we can already review all aspects of IT leaderships, such as strategy leadership, delivery leadership, and governance leadership, and so on, in all aspects of IT. Second thing is that the decision-making skills in the IS domain. We learned a lot of theories and frameworks for IT leadership. And third key learning points is it's getting huge knowledge about the IT operations and IT management. This includes a lot of factors like managing budgets, planning, supplier vendor management, and IT trends analysis, and so on. Another key learning point I want to talk about is the familiarity of real world manuals and processes. We have done our individual assignments or group assignments by reading and referencing the real world case studies. Now we became to know and familiar about the importance of revealing the real world cases and scenarios. Finally, the last key learning point is the presentation and communication skills. We had to do the presentations as a group assignments, and it definitely builds the communication skills as we are doing with the team. Also, self-taking videos make us to be strong in presentation and communication skills as well. So these are the key things that I'm taking away from this course. Uh, Needless to say, this course is perfectly unique course. It shows us the big picture of IT and IT leaderships, the way of learning the course, the way of doing our assignments are great things. One thing I just want to advise here is that to provide the suggested articles or some links before the next lectures. I'm not saying to provide the lecture slides or the whole big picture of the next lecture, but the basic knowledge will do as to familiar and the brainstorm was what will be going on about the next lectures. So I believe it will make advantage to us. Finally, I want to discuss how this course has changed my way of thinking about IT leadership. For me, I just had a little bit of knowledge about the IT leadership before. I didn't know how deep the IT leadership is. As I'm working on the SME IT company, I didn't know these leadership skills in a large scale MNC. So I got the essential knowledge and the overview picture now. I believe that I have improved in ID problem solving skills as a leader, communication, and understanding the rules of stakeholders in ID governance and projects. This is absolutely perfect guide to being a CIO. Thank you.